Have you ever wondered how to become a hacker? Well, let's take a moment to redefine that term. When we say hacker, we're not talking about someone who breaks into systems with ill intent. We're talking about ethical hacking, the art of using one's technical skills to find vulnerabilities and fix them, rather than exploit them. Now, if you're intrigued by the world of ethical hacking, there are a few things you should know. First, it's a field driven by insatiable curiosity. You've got to have a thirst for knowledge and a love for problem solving. Second, it's about continuous learning. Technology evolves every day, and you've got to keep up. In the world of hacking, there's always something new to learn, a new challenge to tackle. So, what does it take to be a hacker? It takes curiosity, it takes perseverance, and above all, it takes integrity. Now that you understand what hacking really means, it's time to explore the roadmap to becoming one. To master the art of hacking, you need to start with the basics. Imagine trying to build a skyscraper without understanding how bricks and mortar work. It's the same with hacking. A solid grasp of how computers and networks function is your first brick in construction. Now let's talk languages, not French or Spanish, but programming languages. Python, JavaScript, and C++ are like the trinity of hacking. Python, with its simplicity, is perfect for scripting and automating tasks. JavaScript, the language of the web, is essential for exploiting web-based applications. C++, meanwhile, offers a deep dive into system-level programming. And don't forget Linux. This open-source operating system is a hacker's playground. Familiarizing yourself with Linux commands is akin to learning the secret handshake in an exclusive club. It's your ticket in. With these foundational skills, you're ready to dive deeper into the hacker's world. The hacker's toolkit is an essential part of their arsenal. This toolkit isn't just a collection of software, but a set of highly specialized tools that, when used effectively and ethically, can unveil the mysteries of the digital world. Let's start with Wireshark, a packet analyzer. It's like a digital microscope, allowing you to delve deep into the data flowing through your network. You can examine each packet, dissect its contents, and understand the conversations happening between devices. Next up is Metasploit, a powerful tool for penetration testing. It's your digital lockpick set, helping you find vulnerabilities in systems and networks, giving you insights on how to fortify them. And then there's John the Ripper, a master of password cracking. It's not about breaking into systems, but understanding how strong a password really is. Remember, these tools aren't just for causing chaos. They're for understanding, learning, and ultimately protecting. Knowing your tools is just one part of the equation. Next, we'll look at where you can hone these skills. Just like any other skill, practice is key in hacking. It's paramount to remember this as you embark on your journey to becoming a proficient hacker. But how do you practice hacking while staying within the boundaries of law and ethics? Thankfully, there are platforms like Hack the Box and Capture the Flag competitions designed to help you legally test and improve your hacking skills. These platforms provide realistic scenarios where you can apply your knowledge, test your abilities, and learn from your mistakes in a controlled environment. Never forget, hacking isn't about creating chaos or exploiting vulnerabilities for personal gain. It's about curiosity, continuous learning, and using your skills to enhance security. As you practice, you'll find yourself becoming more adept at identifying vulnerabilities and creating solutions to mitigate them. Remember, the path to becoming a hacker is a journey, not a destination. Keep learning, keep practicing, and most importantly, use your skills for good.